I swear, we need to come up with some kind plan so that them go sack this man.
Sack Kochi?
Yes na. I remember when I first enter Man U. I dey ball that time na. Every week I dey score. They carry team for head like Palmer for Chelsea last season.
People been dey compare you and De Bruyne sef.
Yes na.
Those people no get sense.
You no go shut up your mouth, ba? Who chook your mouth for here now?
Una dey talk loud na.
Mind your business o.
That thing wey una dey talk is like not true. Because before I come United, I been the ball na.
So if grown-ups dey talk, you go follow chook mouth.
Nobody be small boy for this club again no. All of us dey go through difficult moments. People wey dey ball before no sabi ball again. Kochi don collect all our shine put for Imolo.
I swear, I think say na only me dey notice am o. The guy Imolo dey shine pass all of us combined together.
No be him carry you come from Ajax?
He carry me come here to end my career.
Me sef.
He don do. You wey no sabi trap ball.
Na him cause am na. See goal wey Dalot miss. On a normal day, him go score am na.
So all of una like this dey blame Kochi for the nonsense wey una dey play.
We been no dey play rubbish before na.
Na lie! You think say Ajax na Man U? All those mumu defenders wey dey turn their head for Eredivisie. You think say EPL go gree you?
What of me? The team when I dey play now. Na wetin I been dey play before?
Na you wey no wan raise your standards.
Thunder fire you there.
Where you want make him raise him standards go? Casemiro wey carry him Madrid standards come here. Kochi never put am for dustbin.
Casemiro don old now. You know where? You wey young, dey form Ororo descendants. Wetin you dey play? Na una dey make am hard for me to carry una.
You never carry yourself finish. You won't carry mine.
At this point, even if Messi and Ronaldo come this club, Kochi go reduce their standards to championship level.
Wetin you dey talk? Aurora and Messi don old now. Bring Bellingham, Vinicius, Yamal, Palmer, even Haaland. Kochi go convert them to players wey you no know.
Like him convert Højlund to fake Haaland.
I dey tell una say this our form na Kochi fault. We need plan ASAP to comot am. Unless una wan play championship football.
Championship no be Champions League o. In case of people wey their ear no good.
I go take Kochi.
Hey!
It's like the bench wey dey chop for Argentina never do you.
You don collect injury accidentally for training before? You know me na. I fit help you experience am for the first time.
You dey threa ten me?
Ask Pogba wetin I do am for match na.
So you purposely do am that thing?
I understand wetin all of una dey talk, but make we give am time. Maybe one more season. Make things click for am.
When you come this club sef.
Oh yeah, sorry. Make una plan una thing.
Omo, dem don sack Kochi o.
You say wetin?
Abeg talk true. No carry us joke o.
Why you go carry this kind matter joke? They don sack am. Coach Van Nistelrooy na our new interim manager.
Ogbe o.
Finally.
All of una wey dey thank God. Shey una go still play rubbish against Chelsea?
Oga comot for here, Joe.
See, small boy, I go break your head o. You no happy say one of our problems don go?
No, na be the problem. No be Kochi.
It's like this boy need beating o. Anthony, hold that boy for me.
Leave me, Joe.
Mumu boy, you for no run na.
Make una come check out this new promo for 1xBet wey dem dey call Halloween Hunt. You go get surprises if you top up your account. But first, you know say you suppose register with our promo code GNEXT to get additional 300% bonus. That is if you never register. Then go press Take Part for the promo page. Deposit at least 16,500 before October 3rd. You go come open Jack-o'-lanterns. Some of them go carry surprises and bonuses like iPhone 15 Pro Max and other smartphones, even watches and many other better prizes. Read their terms and conditions first, and don't forget to bet with sense. Good luck.
My people, now welcome to another episode of Talkie and Mind. Today guest now one of our coach legends, Ancelotti, and the recently fired coach of Manchester United.
Thank you.
Why you dey introduce me like that? You no get another term to take describe me? Just talk former United coach. Which one be recently fired?
Oh, not be the same thing.
No be the same thing.
As far as I know lie, that one no concern me. After all, the name of the show na Talkie and Mind.
Wetin dey worry this guy?
Mafia boss Ancelotti. How far now? Why you allow that German guy loan you slate for inside Santiago?
In no run me straight. Na Mbappe forget say offside dey football.
Oh my God. How Mbappe go forget say offside dey football?
My brother, I never hear this one before.
No be record breaking 8. I been a 9 offsides only am collect for that match. Whether in carry mattress go dey sleep for the other half. I been in speed wey no get calibrate.
I believe saying that aspire to become landlord someday.
Why you no comot am?
Perez say make I dey play am na.
Chai, why una no go Ballon d'Or ceremony?
We get Valencia to play for weekend.
So the other teams wey go the ceremony no get weekend games.
That one consign them.
I no know say Elele paying you like this so.
Why you no go pay me? After everything Vini Bobo play, na only am deserve that Ballon d'Or.
Na lie.
See, guy, no vex me o.
Which one be no vex you? I dey talk my mind, you say make I no vex you. Now Rodri deserve that Ballon d'Or.
You no get one single sense.
No insult me for here.
Shey na talk your mind. Na my mind I dey talk. You no get one single sense. Why you go talk say Rodri deserve am? Madrid beat Man City, carry Champions League. We carry La Liga. Vini Bobo shine for all those matches.
You just dey very biased. Rodri carry Premier League, carry Euros. He never lose game with City for more than a year now. Wetin you dey talk?
Madrid beat City for quarterfinals last season.
For PK?
I go land you slap wey no good o. No be still defeat.
Land me slap na. Make I no nod your teeth comot. Who you be sef?
Oya, I don't do. Make una calm down.
No wonder dem sack the guy. He no sabi anything.
Otilo for you.
This na talk your mind. No fighting, no. No fighting allowed. No fighting, no. Hey, no fighting.